Hello students, welcome to 10th standard GK class which is based on DEEN, Dictionary, Encyclopedia, Atlas and Newspaper. The objectives of the topic are to study about the 20th century which is given on your GK book Know for Sure. Let's start with the introduction. 20th century witnesses two world wars, the Great Depression of the 1930s, the Cold War, revolutionary social equality movements, and the exploration of space. Follow the changes in this decade by decade. Timeline of 20th century. At the time, trains were the fastest way to travel and went to 100 miles an hour. Students, in this topic, we are going to discuss the history of 20th century. We will discuss in the quiz form. Let's discuss number 1. He was the British Prime Minister during the Second World War. What was his name? And the name is Winston Churchill. Students, look at the red color bordered line. This formed a barrier wall of West Berlin to keep East Germans from escaping to the west. Built in August 1961, it remained a symbol of Cold War till it was demolished in 1989. Which barrier was this? This is Berlin Wall. Next is, in which country was a civil war fought and communist government under Chairman Mao came to power? And the answer is China. Sir Alexander Fleming's discovery in the field of medicine, which he called penicillin, became one of the most effective life-saving drugs in the world. What is it a type of? And answer is antibiotics. In which year did the UN adopt the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and introduce voting rights for women into international law? And the answer is 1948. Which country in the Middle East became independent on 14th May 1948? Answer is Israel. Iraq fought a war with its neighbor for 8 long years with no territorial annexations. Which country was this? And answer is Iran. Name the country which became independent in 1918 after the collapse of Austria-Hungary and remained a geographical and political unit till 1 January 1993, after which it split into two new political states, the Czech Republic and Slovakia. And the answer is Czechoslovakia. The United States of America fought a war with this country in Asia which lasted approximately 10 years. The US had to finally admit defeat and withdrawal. And the name of the country is Vietnam. Now students, we are going to discuss some famous personalities of the 20th century. Among the finest thinkers of the 20th century, his theory of relativity revolutionized ways of thinking about space, time, energy, matter, and gravity. And the name of that thinker was Albert Einstein. He is known as the Great Soul. His idea of winning a battle with non-violence is legendary. He led to the end of British rule in India without striking a single blow. Mahatma Gandhi. He revolutionized the world of the internet and introduced the World Wide Web, the single most popular mass medium for the 21st century. And the name of that person was Tim Berners-Lee. Next is, he proposed that the universe is expanding and came up with a theory to indicate the age and size of the universe. He also observed spiral nebulas and showed that they were actually distant galaxies rather than objects into our own galaxy. And the name of that person is Edwin Hubble. Next famous personality was Amartya Sen, a distinguished economist from India and the winner of Nobel Prize. He is known for his contribution to welfare economics. Next is Franklin D. Roosevelt. This former president of the United States lifted his country out of the grip of worldwide financial depression. Many of his ideas of the government are still a part of the law of the land. Muhammad Ali, born Cassius Clay, he was one of the greatest heavyweight boxing champions and iconic figure of the 20th century. After the discussion of famous personalities of 20th century, let's talk about the prominent personalities of the 20th century. We will discuss one by one. Pablo Picasso, one of the greatest and most influential painters of his time. Walt Disney, he revolutionized the art of animated films. Pandit Ravi Shankar, he introduced classical music of India to Western audience. Next is Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest physicists of the 20th century. Elvis Presley, the king of rock and roll, one of the most influential poets of his time, Robert Frost. B.R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. Yuri Gagarin, the first human in space. So students, this is all about the history of the 20th century, famous personalities of the 20th centuries and prominent personalities of the 20th century. With that, we have completed today's topic. For your convenience, I have solved page like this. Hope you understand well. We will meet very soon. Till then, be happy, be safe, have a nice day.